Do you want to know how to publish videos on IGTV so you can get a much bigger exposure to your brand on Instagram? If so, then keep on watching, because in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos from desktop and from mobile to IGTV, so keep on watching. So my name is Jelena Ostrovska from jelenaostrovska.com. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited to see you here. If you are new, consider subscribing down below and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time a new video goes live, which is every single week. So let's get right into this. Let's first talk about why you want to be using IGTV for your business. So first and foremost, there's not a whole lot of ways for you to upload long form videos to Instagram other than IGTV. And IGTV makes it super simple for you. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you are able to upload 10-minute videos, and if you have more than 1,000, you're able to upload 60-minute video clips. So that is a really good way for you to grow your audience and upload longer form videos. And it's also a great way for you to put a clickable link inside of your videos, inside of your account, which there's not a whole lot of ways to do that on Instagram, and I do talk about it right here in this video. Actually, I show you two different strategies that I'm personally using to direct people anywhere from my account without having the 10K followers. The cool part about the Instagram TV is the fact that every single time you upload the video there, you can also promote it on your actual feed. So you get to post something on your feed on Instagram as well without having to have another post. You know what I'm saying? So it's a great way to reach more followers and also position yourself as an authority with a longer form piece of content. Now, there is a new strategy that you can use on Instagram. So we all know that you can go live on Instagram, and if you don't, then you learned something new right now. So, and Instagram did change the strategy just a little bit. So there's a couple of things that you want to know right now. So what you used to be able to do, you used to be able to go live on Instagram, and then you would just pin that video to your stories for 24 hours, and then the video disappears for good. You can download it to your phone, you can do all kinds of things like that, but that's it. People had 24 hours to watch the video, and what Instagram decided was the fact that that's not a really good strategy. Let's actually allow creators to publish that video and have it on your profile forever. So that's the good part. So what you're able to do right now, instead of you pinning your video to your stories for 24 hours, now you get to post that video straight to your IGTV and to your feed. So there's a couple of things that you want to have in advance before you actually go live on Instagram if you want to publish that video to IGTV, which I personally would, because that's a piece of content right there without you having to actually sit down and write something from scratch. You know what I'm talking about? Now, here's the list of things that you need to have prior to going live. So you do need to come prepared these days if you actually want to take the most advantage out of the Instagram live. The first thing that you need to have is the title, because now you're able to add the title to your Instagram live, which is the best thing ever, because every single time the person goes live, now we're actually able to see what the video is about, instead of just seeing like, hey, so and so is going live, but we don't know what it is going to be about. Now you get to see why you actually should jump on the video. So title is number one. Number two, you need to have a description. And I would recommend having a description that does have a call to action at the end, so you can actually get people to click on your link and build your email list, which is another important thing for you to be doing from, any piece of marketing that you're putting out there. And the third thing that you need to have is you need to have an image. You need to have a cover photo for your Instagram TV / Instagram video inside of your feed. And I'll show you what you need to do and the things that you need to consider when uploading to IGTV. So let's get right into my desktop first, and then I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone. My Instagram account. So what you see right now is the IGTVs that I have so far. So I have 4 videos so far. So I did pretty much every single one of them as a test, and likely the best one that actually went really well, no matter the amount of views that I have gotten, has been this one, because, and I'm actually going to show you how all of them look like on my feed, because some of them I post. So this one, clearly this was not a good idea to make an image like this. Then let's scroll a little bit. So here, this one actually did pretty well. Now you see like it fits the entire screen. there's text on it and everything. So this is the first thing that you want to consider is your thumbnail. For the IGTV, it is going to be vertical, just like the same size as you would use for the stories on Instagram, but you want to make sure that you center everything important in the center so it does capture the attention of your audience, so you don't get to deal with something like this, right? So now from desktop, all you have to do is go to IGTV and then you click to upload, and that's how you're going to be able to upload a video, pull it out from your computer. And these are the things that you really need to have. So you just drop the file right here. So in my account, I do have over 1,000 followers. So I do get to upload a video between 1 to 60 minutes, and it has to be less than 3.6 gigabytes. So every single time you upload one, make sure that you don't go crazy with the quality of the video, with 4K, all that kind of stuff. Don't worry about it too much. Like Instagram is it's a small little device, right? So all you gotta do, so here the minimum size, it shows you the kind of file size that you need to have. I would make it a little bit bigger, but for the first time, just use this kind of sizing. You add the title, you add the description, and if you want to post the video to your feed, you want to add this, right? So obviously this is not clickable for me right now just because I haven't really written anything down here and I haven't uploaded the video. So, but you need to post a preview because this will give you more views. IGTV by itself does not get a whole lot of views unless you actually drive traffic. So kind of similar to YouTube. And then you get to choose where you want the video to appear. If you are using both IGTV and Facebook page, then you can upload both. All you have to do is just connect your page, and you're going to be done. I'm personally just uploading to Instagram because I'm not using my Facebook page a whole lot. So that's the framework for uploading videos to desktop. Okay, so now that we are inside of my Instagram account, what's going to happen is I'm going to go ahead and click on the story feature, and I'm going to choose the live section, and I'm going to choose one of these cute filters that I use a lot. So now you want to add the title, and I'm going to add the test, add the title, and let's go ahead and hit live. So hey everyone, so I'm doing this video as a test for my YouTube video that's coming up in a couple of weeks. So here's something you want to make sure when you are trying to post a video to your IGTV. You want to make sure that it is actually 1 minute long. So if it is not 1 minute, it is not really going to work out. You're just not going to be able to post it. So I'm gonna keep talking here for a little bit. So I really hope that no one actually joins because I know it is pretty early for people to actually jump on my video. So, but that's one thing that you want to make sure. So remember that I talked about the things that you need to have ready before publishing to IGTV. You need to have a title, which we kind of have a test title right now. You need to have a way for you to capture your audience on your email list. So I would recommend having a description and a clickable link because IGTV is the only place for you to place that clickable link. And you also want to have an image. So you basically are kind of treating your IGTV sort of as a YouTube channel. So except, you have way less things to do. And you can also post this IGTV to your Instagram feed. So that's something else that you can do. So I see, hey, what's up? So I'm doing this video as a test. So I didn't expect a whole lot of people to join. So I am just going live here for a minute, so you will see this video on my YouTube channel in about 2 weeks, roughly. So yeah, so I'm about to end this. I will go live later today on IGTV most likely, so I will see you all later. So let me go ahead and keep on this tutorial. Now you can see it's also going to show you who viewed your video, so this is pretty cool. You get to download it, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then you can either delete the video or share it to IGTV. So I'm going to go ahead and share it. And now you get to see like your video title appears here. So my video title was test. So you want to make sure that you do have a good and also short title. And then we are waiting for this to load, right? So that's another thing. You can either use, your face right here. I wouldn't, just because I know it's going to be a little bit cut out. So I'm just going to use something for the time being. But usually I already have something in my phone ahead of time. Now I'm gonna hit next, and then here you can change your title, so that's the good thing. Then description, I usually have it all pre-written and I just paste it. You can do a series if you want to, so you can just go ahead and create your first series if you're going to have a couple different types of series that you're going to be running on your IGTV. I'm going to click cancel, and then you can also post a preview. So I would always do that just because you want to drive as much traffic as you possibly can, and your feed is always going to get more engagement than your IGTV, especially in the first 24 hours. So definitely use that traffic for that. So there you go. Did you enjoy that video? I really hope that you got a ton of value from this, so now you know exactly what to do to upload videos to IGTV, whether it's a live video or whether it is a recorded video that you can upload from your computer. I really hope this was super helpful. Let me know down below in the comment section if it was. If so, also consider subscribing to my channel so you can watch more videos all about social media, coaching, entrepreneurship, content creation, all things online business. And also consider hitting the bell sign down below this video so you never miss out on any future videos from my channel. And without any further ado, I appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing day, and be sure to check these two videos right here so you can basically sit down, binge watch all the videos all about social media. And I really hope that you enjoy this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.